Colfax High, mill and wood shop. Logs get dropped right here. Students just did a beautiful job cleaning everything up, so I thought we'd do a walkthrough. So the logs get dropped here, and then we'll go take a look at the mill. Lumber gets milled right here on our wood-mizer. Ideally, seal at ends. And then stacked right here. A lot of different sizes and kinds of woods. And our supply here, drying under a tarp. And then let's go in the shop and take a look in there. Our Techno CNC router, driven off that computer. And over here, here's our 4x8 CNC router. Some projects stacked on top of it. This is a Forest Scientific with a vacuum table. We have a laser cutter right there. And then kind of over here to a traditional wood shop. Disc and belt sander, sanding table, another belt sander. There's our saw stop. Pretty much dedicated to a dado stack in there. Over here are routers. A lot of router tables so we don't have to change bits as much. There's our next. This is a beautiful woodpecker's router table. It's my router table from home. Usually use a flush trim bit on this one. Spindle sander. Joiner. That's actually my joiner from home as well. Drum sander. Grinders for sharpening as far away from dust collection as possible. Safety glasses, hand tools, disc. Chop saw, this is kind of our rough cut chop saw. Then our lathe, drill press. A couple scroll saws, still use those. Our planer, new Laguna planer. This thing's a Cadillac of Cadillacs. I love this thing. Table saw. And then over here, radial arm saw. I actually have that one. We barely use that at all. Fest tool, chop saw, mortising machine, band saws. Look at that, no dust anywhere. And then a couple Fest tool stations for track saws, dominoes. There it is. Shop's never looked better. Oscar wood shop's never been better.